Okay, we're going to try my white Adidas shoes now in these laundry shoe bags. The zipper is really good quality, and you can put it in the dryer as well. Straight after that, I just got it out of the dryer up here. So we're going to put these in because these are probably my whitest shoes, but they're quite filthy. So we're going to do it before and after we put in the wash. So I'm going to put one in each. As you can see, you can fit both in one bag if you wish. But I like to have them separately so the bristles wash all sides of the shoe, because if you put two in there, one side of the shoe is going to rub against the other one, not getting that full clean of the bag. That's my theory anyway. So I can put two in there. And you can use this when you're traveling as well. Bring that with your traveling, put your valuable shoes in these shoes bags like a shoe protector. But we're just going to put that in there. I'm kind of nervous because I actually don't know how these are going to turn out. You see how dirty they were before. Oh wow. That is crazy. That is so clean now. And oh my goodness, they are just as white as they were as I bought them.